Good day everyone. Welcome to Bridge LCS. We are delighted to introduce you the latest version of Bridge LCS with the most requested features. In this video, we'll show you the working of new features updated. In the floating bar, you can find a menu which redirects you to the releasing notes page. As you can see, these are the features that we have introduced lately. First is the owner rights, which is one of the most requested features. Second is the finance reconciliation, followed by the documentation, payroll, customers tracking and jobs. Without any further delay, let's quickly view the working of new features. Let's start with the documentation. Here we have launched an updated documentation with screenshot and video assistance. You can quickly view the document in no time from the floating bar and action bar whenever required. Next is the payroll module. Since many of our customers are using a separate solution to read the biometric data, we have provided them a solution in Bridge LCS to reduce their overhead. Henceforth, your HR department can import the attendance data at a single click from here. Click on the import button. This section includes 3 steps. Step 1 is the import document. Select the file with attendance and upload it here. Step 2 is the map fields. Since everyone has their own style of naming columns, we have included this step here. Match the field name in the imported sheet with the default name present in the system. Step 3 is the map employee name. This is similar to step 2. This has 2 sections, unmatched and matched. Map the unmatched names in the sheet with the names in the system. Once all the data are filled, click on Save to capture the attendance data. Third update that we are going to be discussing about is the tracking and tags. Go to Jobs. Earlier we had given tracking access only to the primary customers. Now the same has been granted to secondary customers also. This avoids confusion and secondary customers can also track the cargo without any difficulties. Also, if you want to add the activity codes which are not available in the system by default, you can add it from here using the tag option given. Final update is the owner rights. This is the most requested and long-awaited feature. SuperAdmin has full access to this module. This module is split into 3 different sections: customers, suppliers and jobs. SuperAdmin can give access to each and every user, and based on the access, the user can access the system. This is different from the user rights that we have defined earlier. Here the first user, PKG employee, has all in default, which means the user can access all the customer supplier data. If created by checkbox is enabled, then the user can only access the customers created by him. If assigned to is enabled along with the created by option, then the user can access the data created and assigned to him. Similarly, the supplier and jobs work. Allocated by feature is a newly included feature. If you want to share your job with your co-users, or if you are not available for a certain period of time, you can allocate the same job to other users. Right-click on the job, select Allocate, choose the user you wish to transfer the job to and click on Save. You can add multiple users as per your requirement. This is all about this video. The reconciliation feature of finance module will be explained in a separate video in detail. Thank you for watching.